Good morning, children. Today we will start the lesson number 15, length. So in length, how can you identify it is long and short? You will identify. No, by using scale you can tell which centimeter is long, like that. But while seeing the objects, you can identify which is long, which is short, which is tall, and which is high, low, like that. Okay, children. Now coming to page number 169 in your textbook. Here see, long and short. Okay, observe this pencil. Which one is long, which one is short? You can say this one is short and this one is an long. Okay, in toothbrush also, the pink pencil is long, the blue pencil is short. Here also in toothbrush, see, short. This one is short, this one is long. Okay, in the hair, see, this is the long hair, this is the short hair. Coming to page number 170 in your textbook, children. See, tick the long ones. You have to tick which one is long. Here two scales is there. Which one is long? This one is long. So you have to tick for that objects. Okay. Tick for the long one. In this, which one is long? This one. So tick for this. In this one is the long. Okay. Now here, ring the short ones. We have to ring for the short one. Okay. Which one is small? That one we have to do the circle. Ring. Next here, this one is the short. This one is the short one. Okay. Coming to page number 171, children. See, number the pictures 1, 2, 3, 4 from shortest to longest. Which one is the shortest? This one is the shortest. First, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children, you have to do like that. Which one is the shortest? Here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this one train is 4. Okay. In this in vegetables, which one is the short? This one is the first. Next is 2. Next, compared to this is 3, this is 4. Okay. Coming to page number 172 in your textbook, children. Tall and short. Which one is tall? Here, coconut tree is the tall and short is this one. Okay. Now, see in here, horse is tall and the sheep, goat is short. Okay. In the candle, this one is the tall, this one is the short. Now, coming to page number 173, tick the tall ones. In ladder, which one is tall? This one is tall. So, tick for this. In this, boy and girl is there, girl is the tall. Tick for girl. So, tick the short one. Here, see, girl and boy, girl is the tall. So, tick for girl. This here is duck and hen is there. Which one is the short? This one is short. Hen is short. Tick for hen. Okay. In house and building is there. Which one is the shortest one? This one. Hut is the shortest one. Now in the given figure, color the tall on green and color the short on red. In the given figures, color the tall one green and color the short one red. Okay, children, take green color pencil, not crayons, children. So, color green for the table for the tall. Okay. Red one in the short. Okay. Now coming to page number 174 in your textbook, children. High and low. Okay. Which one is high? Which one is low? See here, near the tree is coming, it is high. This is the low one. Okay. So here high and low is there in a kite. This is the high. This is the low. Okay. The red kite is flying low. The green kite is flying high. Okay. Eagle is flying high. Butterfly is flying low. Okay, children. Now coming to page number 175 in your textbook. Circle the picture which is at a higher level on the wall. This is the wall. Which is the higher level? This is. So, what you have to do? Circle the picture. You have to circle the picture is at a higher level on the wall. Next, the fox wants to eat a bunch of grapes. Circle the lowest bunch of grapes and help the fox. Which is the lowest? See, here is high. For which is the lowest? This one is. So you have to, what you have to do? Circle the lowest bunch of the grapes. So I will circle for, this is the lowest bunch of the grapes for the fox. Okay, coming to page number 176. Circle the feather floating high. These both are feathers. You have to circle the floating high. So this is floating high. So I will circle. Ring the tap at higher level. This, see both the taps. This is low. This is high. So circle for the higher level tap. Okay. Color the bubble at a high level pink and the bubble at a low yellow. Okay, children. So take your, in your home, you have to color pink for high level. Okay, pink color, color it for pink. For this one bubble you have to yellow. Okay, low level is yellow color, you have to color this, children. Okay, coming to page number 177. Okay, we can compare the length of two things by keeping one beside the other. So you will generally, you will see in the objects, you are telling which one is high, which one is short, which one is tall, like that you are telling. Now you can measure, there is in a foot hand span, foot, like you can measure. See, we can compare the length of two things by keeping one beside the other. One you keep beside the other, we can see the red garland is long. See, compare this, this one is a long, the green garland is short. Okay, by seeing this you can say. See, to know how long the garland is, we measure it. Lakshmi measure like this. So your mummy will buy flowers on the roadside, children. They will ask, no, give the flower of what they say, by hand they will, hand span they will measure and give, no. Okay, cubit or like that, no. This measure is an a cubit. Mala anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕೈಲಿ ಹೂವು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಮಳ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಮಳ in the roadside if you buy. So like that you can, that is called as an a cubit. By hand you will measure, no, like this, that is called as an a cubit. This one will they measure and give, no, that is called as an a cubit. Okay, coming to page number 178. See, Gauri measures like this. Okay, so what they called hand span. In your house, if you have a table, you can measure like this. That is called as an hand. See, 1, 2, like this you will measure, no, how many hand span. So that is called as an hand span. Okay, Ramu measures a stick like this. Ramu will measure in the leg. See, foot span, that is they measure, no, that is called as a foot span. So we can measure by cubit, hand span and foot span. Okay, children. Now coming to page number 179. See, we can be used hand span, foot span and cubit to measure the length. What we use to measure the length? We can use hand span, foot span and a cubit to measure the length. Lakshmi found that the garland is an 1 cubit. From ear to ear is a 1 cubit. Okay. Gauri found that the garland is 2 hand span. See, ear to ear 1, from ear to ear is 2. Okay, long. So Ramu found the stick is 5 foot spans long. Okay, while measuring in the foot spans, he found as an a 5. Ade hejje ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, like that, children. Okay, coming to page number 180 in your textbook. See, John measured the length of the television set using a hand span. Okay, length of the television is, see, from here we are measuring in the hand span. Like that, how much hand span will come is they written 5 hand span. Okay, Salma measured the length of the cot using a cubits. Okay, by hand like this she used and measured the cot. Asha measured the length of the classroom using a foot span. See, foot span. So how much is your classroom is there, you can measure like that. Okay, here it is an 18 foot span. Coming to page number 181, children. The length of the table in this picture is dash and span. So how many hand span is measured, that I have to write. Okay, the length of the pencil is equal to length of the eraser. Okay, length of the pencil is equal to how much? See here given, children. See, ear to ear 1, ear to ear 2, ear to ear is 3. So the length of the table in this picture is how many hand span? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 and span. Right here 3 and span. The length of the pencil is equal to length of the eraser. See, eraser is 3, here pencil is equal. So the length of the pencil is equal to the length of the eraser. So length of the eraser. See here, the length of the mat in this picture is dash foot. How many foot is there? Count here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 foot. Okay. Now, this garland is dash cubits long. How many cubits? From here to here 1 means here to here is 2. So, 2 cubits long. Okay, coming to page number 182, children, find this by yourself. The length of the table in your class is dash and span. Okay, the length of the blackboard in your class is dash cubits. The length of your classroom is dash foot span. The length of your school bag is dash and span. Okay, so you have to measure the table, blackboard, length of your classroom by foot, length of the classboard by cubits, the length of your school bag is in hand span. Like this you have to measure, children. Okay, thank you.